we made it. We're at the falls.
Air Falls.
Jose doesn't really know where he's going, but there's the U.S. side. Jose says that they're pretty crappy. We're gonna go on the little boat cruise now, so yay! Nice. You ready?
We're about to go get this. We're about to go get this wet on. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go get this wet on.
Wow.
Excuse me. You need to hustle. Did I tell you guys? I decided to like, oh, let's take the car. And Veronica said, no. Let's get some exercise in and let's walk.
It was only 20 minutes.
So we've been walking for, I think, half of our honeymoon, right, to get here. And now I'm exhausted. Like my legs are weak, wobbly, you know, from this all. Oh my God, baby, record that. Oh, that's awesome. That's a beautiful sight, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, how come we got the shit end of the stick when it came to the U.S. side? Our U.S. falls are not better than Canada's.
That's for sure.
That's rare, you know what I mean? Usually the U.S. is like, yeah, we're the best. Now we got screwed on falls. It's not fun.
Look how pretty. We just got back from doing the boat tours. Now we're gonna go do the journey behind the falls, which is like right there somewhere. So that'll be fun. Just video doesn't do them justice at all.
The what?
The videos don't do them justice at all.
No, they don't. Nothing to do with justice. You gotta...
Oh look, honeymoon bridge collapse. Honeymoon!
Famous visitors. Truman, Marilyn Monroe, oh, she's beautiful. Kennedy, Princess Diana. Ready to go?
Yeah. It's not even funny either. That's crazy.
Pretty soon it's gonna be gone. It's not gonna be anymore. Thank God we saw.
That's cool. Alright, where should we eat? The Kite Steakhouse, TGI Fridays, or there's UNBAGS somewhere, it said.
Friday?
What do I think they're what? Oh, this is... this is tomatoes? Corn? No, not corn. I don't know, what is it?
This looks like something short, like fruit, like strawberry, something like that. I don't know.
Oh, there's a scarecrow. Yeah, but don't they all kind of like look similar maybe? Thank you. Jose got me a private jet. Did you give me a private jet for a wedding gift?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. My BFF.
My BFF. You're my BFF.
Oh, you're my BFF.
These for little girls?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are for girls.
Oh, that's for kids, yeah.
Actually, this is boys. Boys.
100.
Yay! The spa. We're going tomorrow for a couples massage. Un masaje para couples? Y ese restaurante. The restaurant.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Just open it.
It's okay. Did you like the gym? That was good. Very nice. Very nice. We did a little bit.